Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is electron configuration of helium HE lesson. Alright, now we're going to look at the element helium. It's number 2 on the periodic table, so we're going to give it atomic number of 2. Its atomic mass unit is 4. So since it has an atomic number of 2, it has 2 protons. And since helium is electrically neutral, it has 2 electrons. Now, how do we find out the number of neutrons? Well, we take the AMU, atomic mass unit, minus the protons equals our number of neutrons. Okay, great. So we're just going to go 4 minus 2 equals 2. So we have 2 neutrons. All right, let's get ready to do our electron configurations. But we have to remember that S can only hold 2 electrons. P subshells can only hold a total of 6 electrons. P subshells can hold 10 electrons. And F subshells can hold 14 electrons. Also, it's important to remember that we start at the top of the diagonal rule or the off-ball principle and we follow the arrow down, just like that. Okay, so now, until we run out of electrons. So let's go ahead and try our electron configuration. So we're going to go ahead and start off 1s2. Hey, we've used up all the electrons. Isn't that pretty snug? Let's do our orbital notation. Now remember that S subshells, there's only one of them, they could hold a max of 2 electrons. So we go 1s, up arrow, and down arrow. Hey, that's pretty cool, huh? Alright, let's look at our noble gas notation. Now, in our other video, hydrogen had no noble gas notation, but helium itself is a noble gas. So we're going to go ahead and write helium inside the brackets, and there it is. Now, quantum numbers is the last notation that we're going to do. So here's our quantum numbers. We have N, L, M, and S. Every element has its own unique set of quantum numbers. All right, N is the principal quantum number, L is the angular momentum quantum number, M is the magnetic quantum number, and S is the spin quantum number. All right, so let's see here. Helium is in group 18, but it's in period 1. So since helium is in period 1, its N value is going to be 1. Helium, although it's located over in group 18, is still an S block element. So we're going to go ahead and give it a value of 0. Because anything in the S block has a 0 value. The magnetic number is also going to be 0 since it's in the S block. So we're going to write 0 in there. And then if we look at the last arrow, it's going down. Since it's going down, it's going to be 1/2 negative. So our spin number is going to be 1/2 negative. No other element on the periodic table has these same set of quantum numbers. Well, that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose and Chemistry.